Let's buy a .com domain with Spaceship, our favorite domain registrar in 2026. From the homepage, you can search for a domain. Then you need to choose the top-level domain that you'd like to use. Some popular ones are .com, .co, .net, .io, and .ai, as well as country-specific domains like .ca for Canada, .uk for the United Kingdom, and .in for India. As you can see, they probably have hundreds of different top-level domain options. If you're looking for something specific, you can add the ending to your domain search so you don't have to scroll forever. If you have questions during the process, you can always contact Spaceship support by clicking the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. One thing I like about Spaceship compared to other domain registrars is the clarity of their pricing. On the pricing page, you can clearly see the first year and renewal pricing, as well as the price to transfer a domain that you already own to Spaceship to save some money. Here you'll see if the 20-cent icon fee is added to the final price or not, something that happens with .com, .org, and .net. Okay, let's add this .com domain, then click on View Cart. There are a few upsell options here. The nice thing with Spaceship is these are free trials. You can test them for free for 30 days and then decide if you want to continue using the service. If you need a business email, it's only 98 cents per month with Spaceship. We use Google Workspace, which is quite a bit more expensive because it also includes other Google applications. The other 4 options are essentially different forms of hosting. I'm not going to add any of these upsells, so I'll just click Continue. If you're starting a new business and you want advice on how to create your own logo, create a business email, website, and more, we have a free course that walks you through everything you need when starting a business. You can sign up using the link in the description. On this screen, you can see we're paying for 1 year and auto renew is turned on. I'd make sure to leave this on so you don't accidentally forget to pay and lose your domain. You'll see the 20-cent icon fee is added as well. So the total for the first year for our .com domain is $9.08. After clicking checkout, it takes me to this page. It's prompting me to sign in because it knows I already have an account, but for you, it'll ask you to create an account. You can then change the term if you'd like to pay for multiple years today. You'll also notice whose privacy is included for free. This is important regardless of where you buy your domain. This keeps your personal information, name, address, phone number, and email hidden from publicly listed databases. I'll click checkout, then it confirms that I want to use the card that I have on file. You'll have to enter your payment information here. Before I hit pay, let's just double check that I'm actually getting a good deal. Here's how Spaceship compares to Porkbun, another solid low-cost option, and GoDaddy, one of the most popular domain registrars. Here's the price for 1 year and the total cost over 3 years. You can see you pay less over time with Spaceship compared to GoDaddy, except on occasion for special 1-year pricing. The renewal price for a .com domain is over twice as much as Spaceship. If you're planning to own the domain for multiple years, it's always better to go with Spaceship. In most cases, Spaceship is less than Porkbun as well. But if you want a .io domain, you can save a couple of dollars by going with Porkbun. If you want to check out Spaceship or compare the prices with Porkbun or GoDaddy, links are in the description below. These are affiliate links. If you use them, we could earn a commission at no cost to you. It's also a great way to support this channel. All right, let's hit pay now. And that's it. We just purchased a domain from Spaceship. If you're ready to connect your website and business email to your new domain, you want to click on Launchpad, then click Advanced DNS. To see the whole walkthrough of connecting your website and business email to Spaceship, watch the video up above. And if you're not sure which website builder to use, check out the video down below. And I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.